Hello, this is me and US Sniper Team's Airsoft Collection. I'm just going to do a quick flyby of all the stuff, then we'll go in depth on each. Now we will go in depth. Start off, we got this cyber gun, some plastic pistol. Not so good. It's not mine, but it's my little cousin's. Then we got KWC Spring P226. Movable hammer, safety. Thanks. Bang, bang. By the way, all these pistols are mine, and then I'll tell you when they're your sniper teams. This is the Crosman P9T. Good pistol, sprayed. It's better than other Crosman guns. No, get pistol. Then now it's US Sniper Team's gun. What is this? Stinger P30. And it crinkles a lot, and it's red, and it's fugly. It's fugly little thing.
That's why I give to friends that play, so they suck really bad. And they're not on my team.
So this is a Skyron P9, the original version. Made in China, not made in Taiwan. Like the other pistols. Bang, bang. Now on for the best pistol out of all of these. Cyber gun. SB 2022. 6 hours. CO2 pistol. Non-locking hammer. CO2 magazine. Safety like the other SIG. This is just the polymer version in real steel. The SIG P226. And it's licensed by Cybergun. Okay, well, it has 1 dot sight. And that's pretty much all to go over with this. Now on to the rifles. This is the Cybergun. M4, licensed by Cybergun. Has Colt license, trademarks. Probably could see it. Plastic, but it's pretty decent. ACU duct tape on it. Pretty cool. Good little gun. This is mine, by the way. They want one. Now on to my gun. Another one of my guns. Technically, it's my gun now, but yeah, well, it's in the works. It's me and his, basically. For now, this is the VSR10. No, AGM VSR10. Spring action sniper rifle, custom made job with a unknown name, so center point scope. Yeah, pretty much it. With that, now this is on to the gear. Starting with me. This is my vest, homemade by me personally. I have my mags in it, and I have camo duct tape on it, and it's made out of cloth, cardboard, and duct tape. Pretty simple. And buckles. Now on to what I wear. I wear green fleece jacket and a wooden BDU pants. And I wear these G-Flex gloves that I found around my house. Pretty cool, awesome type deal. And now have my goggles, full seal. Got out of the paintball mask. Then I have, those are my backups, and to these, my safety glasses. Then I wear beanies on my head, since it's colder outside now. That's pretty much it for me. Now on the US Sniper Team. Would you like to go over your stuff?
What I wear when it's cold out and it's snowing is a ski mask. Then I got my camo safety glasses. I wear these camo snow pants, and I wear camo gloves.
That's pretty much it.